The homepage in Filestage helps you focus on what matters most by giving you a high-level overview of your reviews. Across all your projects, all in one place, it's your default landing screen, built around a flexible widget-style layout. Currently, there's one widget type available, the Reviews widget. By default, you'll see an Overdue Reviews widget already added, filtered by due date and your favorite projects. So you can immediately spot files that need urgent attention, but you can fully customize these filters based on project, due date, or status. Want to track something else? Click Add Widget to create another view, like reviews that need changes, or files awaiting your decision. Each widget can be renamed and configured to match your workflow. Every review card gives you key details at a glance: thumbnail, file name and version, status and decision panel, due date and number of comments, reviewer group name, and an awaiting my review icon if it's assigned to you. You can also remind reviewers who haven't submitted feedback directly from the widget. And if there's a different kind of widget you'd like to see in the future, click Request Widget to share your ideas with our team.